Hello, I'm drinking water from this water bottle. I'm Archisha Chakraborty from class 3B. I will reuse this water bottle. Let's see what happened. Now I will cut this water bottle with this cutter. I have cutted this water bottle. Now I will design it with this marker. Design it. Now I will cut this design with this scissor. Now my design is ready. I will color it with this golden color. I will paint with this brush. You need to give more color on it. Okay? See, this way I am doing this way. Now this side is ready. I will do another side now. See, this way I am doing. Color the designs also. Okay? Again I am putting and doing the color. See? Okay. Now my painting is done. It will take few minutes to dry. See, this bottle is dry. Now I will decorate it with this glitter sheet. Let's start it. another one. See. Now decoration of glitter foam sheet is ready. Now I will decorate my bottle with these crystals. Now I will decorate. Does it? See, decoration is done with crystal. Now I will stick another crystal. This heart one I will use. See, I have sticked it. I will do more decoration on it with the help of this crystal. Yes, done. My work is done now. Friends, can you guess what is this? This is a flower vase. Now I will put some flowers in it. This is the flowers I'm putting. See how beautiful. I have reused this plastic bottle and make a wonderful flower vase. Thank you.